Alrighty, my name is Shervin Mazaheri. I currently live on a beautiful coast of Australia. I'm 25 years old. I currently just finished my degree in business management, and I'm working in hospitality, and I also set up my own business a few months back.
Okay, thanks, Shervin. And can you just let me know just a brief history regarding your Forex trading experience prior to taking the course?
Yeah, I should never undertaken any trades with Forex prior to this class. I've been looking around online, and I read some beginner's guide, but this is actually my first class I'm taking.
Right, okay. And why did you decide to seek Forex education first?
It's a funny story. I went to the bank a few months back, and I was going to save my first dollars in a savings account. And I asked the bank manager what they do with our savings money, and one of the things that he said to me that we use them in Forex trading. So I snapped that in my head, and I went home and I started researching it, how much you can gain on Forex, and if you have a good system. So I pretty soon found out that I would be much better off to do the trading myself than going to the bank and giving my money to my savings account. So that's sort of where I started getting interested into Forex education.
Okay. And what made you take my course as opposed to any other?
So when I started to look online for Forex classes, I came across a forum. I think it was called Forex Peace Army, if I'm not wrong.
Yep.
And I found some reviews about you in this class, and I was really interested. At the same time, I knew I had a friend that was doing trading. Mm-hmm. So I had a quick chat with him, and he was actually taking your class as well. So after his recommendation, he showed me a little bit around how it works and what's your strategies. It was definitely a yes. So that's why I jumped into this class.
Oh, it's nice to know. So more of a referral then. That was good. And
yeah,
how have
exactly.
you found the course so far?
It's outstanding. I'm more of a visual person, so I like how I can combine the reading together with the interactive videos, and that's been a great benefit for me. I've been looking at some other classes, and most of them are just reading and trying to understand myself. Mm-hmm. But I found the videos as a big help, and there's also a big comprehensive page, I know, for frequently asked questions, which for someone like me, which is a beginner at this class, has been a huge benefit.
So it's the help desk website.
Yeah, exactly.
Like that. Any other favourite parts of the course? Like, are you a longer term trader or shorter term? How do you look at trading?
I think I'm more of a long-time trader at the moment, but I think once you start trading more and more and you get more confident with your system, you can also move in towards the short term. My favorite parts about this course must be I think I can do everything in my own tempo, actually, because since I have my own business and I also work weekends, I like to just take the time whenever I have time to start doing the classes and see some videos and read some texts and take my own notes as well. And another great thing, I think, is the daily trade suggestions which you have on your webpage, which has been a tremendous help for me. It also allows me to train my eye and see where you find your trades, and as opposed to where I can find them myself. So it's great.
Fantastic. And results-wise, how are you doing?
It was a little bit hard in the beginning, my first week, but I've been on trading for 4 weeks, and I had 1 week down and 3 weeks up. I think I'm somewhere around 10% up in November, so I'm very satisfied.
Fantastic. And trading goals long-term?
My trading goals long term will probably be to live off the trading, I would say.
Yes.
I like to. I've been traveling around the world a lot, and I've been living in many cities, and I think the most convenient way to live is actually to do trading, because you're not bound to any city or any employer. You're your own boss, and everything depends on you. So I would like to actually live off my trading in the future.
Good. So, I mean, really